You know, Dr. Mo, I want shock her for something. How many years for abroad? Osasu, Osas, fake account. Now my useless, hopeless sister. Not be say we be the same mama. Na in mama, na senior my mother. In mama, na senior my mother. In fake account na Osasu. Osas. My show na the fake account where they use. And I know I'm mama na senior my papa. And mama na useless mama. Evil. They destroy my family for me. Me una tell this woman. I go show na the post. My fair play music. This guy they push me. They push me, but I they try to keep it. But he said no. Now I want to tell you now. 20 years for abroad. I be 18 years for abroad. My people. If you now see the ass where this Osasu fake account. Now fake account. I cannot say that my sister, that my useless she goat sister. I never even know. When I come on live, I can't talk about my past. When I did ask arrest, as my parents, they say abandon me put. So I can't talk, and now when they come free me, they call me congratulations. But when I need help that time, all of them deny me for my rights. When my lawyer asked me, say, may I go bring 3,000 euro? At that moment, we will not get money. That time my husband never get job there. My husband never get job there. So that I could tell my mother, my parents, I beg. Oh, yeah, go inside. So I go tell my mother, say, I bet my land, even someday, block where they, it go reach feeling level. I go tell my parents, say, may they beg, may they go sell the land, or may they use the land, borrow money for me. May they pay my lawyer. May they beg. My mama, my papa suffer their dead body. They not go sell that land. Okay, when I go and borrow money, is anything what I say talk about that land? They give me excuse. Arrest. My first land, where I fell back, my parents now they buy for me, 100 by 100. They carry my land, they sell her. I ask they say why they sell her. They sell her because the rain they fall for there, rain they fall. There's a rush of they enter the land, now they sell her. And then when I give them the money, they not tell me, oh, Diva, I am going inside. They not tell me. They carry that land, they sell my land. Money, I don't see. I rest for the matter, based on say that be my parents. Then another one, this land when me come back, the second land when I come back, I not buy it through my parents. Yeah, because if they do something for your act, you need to run. You get one boy, where I fed the dead and my ex, now his papa, now he fed that land for me for upper. If papa now John, when I fed that land for me, I can't say I want to send out money, make them buy the land for me. The man can't advise me, say no, my pikin. As you get papa, as you get mama, excuse me. Touch your phone, you are going inside. So they don't tell me, say, as I get papa, as I get mama, I'm not supposed to go buy land for outside. So may I carry the money, give my papa, make my papa to come buy the land. Now I tell them, say, I can't say no. Because if you know how your people be, you need to run. You understand? But I know the man that push me, say, no, my pikin. That's why I say, the pikin where they did that time. So in a audion way, in a audion way, so may I invite my papa. As I see that even my ex people tell me, say, make I do it like that. Say no good. Now say, but the one who I pay back, they sell land, I don't see money. Now they go say, I say, no be their hand, he pass, come. Say the no if he said this one, I say okay. I can't call my father. I can't tell him, say, my daddy see oh, I see land of 50 by 100. Say I want back. See, I don't want some money give this man. Make they take back the land. But the man say, make I involve now. He come say okay, I come carry that land from upper. I come call my papa, come connect their two. They come go look the land. I come pay, put. They give my now my papa sign. Now I do everything. After that, as I call the mud block, the best I go show na the land. So as I call the mud block, I dey do everything. Thank you for the like. I dey mud block, I dey do everything. So I come call my papa say, abeg, I wan put nest of king for that paper of land. I come say I wan put nest of king. I come say I wan put my first son because I get another pikin for Lagos. Two children, two sons. Now I say I wan put nest of king. My papa come tell say lie. Now I come say why you don say make I put nest king? Why? Now you get the land. You understand? I be no wan come talk all these things. But they push me, and I go do everything. They push me. I dey like to keep secret, but they are still pushing me to the mouth for which I no fit bear am. Instead, I expose everything. Make this useless sister, and wetin im mother do me. Im mother, wetin he do me. Now that's oh God, I go show una make I explain because I dey boy because I be the want to be lie low. I want calm low, but they not allow me. So I go come out now. I go see make my father put nest of king. Make pick my first son because my first son na 14 years. Make he put my first son. He say lie yo. This is go dey so hard to me. My first land na seller. Second one, when I put my next king. There I never get problem. There I never even dream say I want their house arrest. I go say make my father put next of king. He say I go see boom based on say that I never marry for year. I never get husband. I see they single. Then after everything. And since when I enter abroad, now my papa and my mama, they tell me what I dey do. I say okay. If I tell my papa say, see the boy where they even this man will look for this land for me. He demand. He said me I not marry that one. What would they Libya? He said me I not marry Amo. If they support the guy, if my parents they support them, then what will go reach abroad like this? Like say my papa and my mama told say, the man at darkness. He said that they are not clean. Now the inside darkness, all this kind of thing. All my mates who gather come, all of them born, but they don't want to allow me. But based on say, I dey listen to them. Anything where they tell me, I dey take. I don't know as I say it abroad. No day you say, the day you say because I need to end this thing once and for all. I need to end it. You understand? So I know how my parents they take maltreat me. My papa will tell me to my face, say, may I ask my mama will dead there with me. He go say, ask your mama who born me, who be my papa. Open say na my stubbornness, na make my papa they talk like that. I never know it was true. I never know it was true. I was thinking it's my stubbornness. That I ran girl for Nigeria for TV. Who don't know me not day. I too stubborn. If you talk about TV, I am very stubborn. So I was hoping that if they do it, if my mama go stand, me myself, if you're talking, I said, I just throw away here, I just throw away death here. I just if you carry my bag, that are the Baba galas. That are galas the rain. I just carry I just wear my shoe, I just move. My papa I just the thought there, I just move because I don't feel the follow extend word. Open say na real. I never know it was true. You understand? So after then I go enter abroad. Even when I did my father house, now my parents now they push me when I quit born. When I quit born because they push me. So after everything, I see it abroad. In that day you say that day you will go. Even when I die abroad, I was even proud say if I die for Libya, if I die for sea, I die in Europe. I leave name. I not die for Nigeria because that time during the time of Gaddafi, during the guy when Gaddafi take down, at that time I said that I not get choice. I said anything we want because I don't suffer for Nigeria. I said anything we want if I die, make I die because my parents don't value me. My wife for they not value me. So I just need to go. I need to move on with my life. I enter abroad. And when I reach abroad, now my parents begin to call me their daughter. I swear. Now that's my daughter. When I was in Nigeria, I was nobody. I was nobody. enter abroad. Based on wetin they do me, now I don't want go deep into the issue for wetin they do me for Nigeria. May I lock up. So I still reach abroad. I call my papa say I don't reach abroad. We do everything. I can't forgive them for wetin they do me. I forgive them. I forgive them. There is nothing like parents. I mean, I am DJ. I mean, I am Gera. Nothing what I not do. I still draw the near body. I draw the near body to the extent. I carry my family. I put her for head. All my money what they get for Europe since the year 2014. Now I enter abroad. Inside that the same 2014. Now I balance. Because I just come, now they accept me for my camp. They come give me work. And they cook. Because when they cook for Nigeria, they say, for Mr. Beast. So they go accept me, they go test me. As they go test me, they see my food, say it's sweet. All these Gambian people, all of them. And they cook Gambian food, nothing what not they cook. They go accept me for camp, they come, they work for there. Now the money was Villa Corina, if I no camp, where they asking for Villa Corina. Now maybe the person where cook for asking for camp. And they carry my money, and they fuck and go house. After the pack my money, they go out. My parents, they eat my money. Oh, please send money to their account. And they pack up, I don't get account for Nigeria. And they pack up my money, they go Nigeria. And they pack up, see, when they can't stop me for the work. As they stop me for the work, now I entered another country. Everybody know what I do. My city know what I do. I know there. I don't stand for road, but my city they know what they do there. And them they know because I know specialize say my prostitution now I come for. I know to come up me from Nigeria because I was rugged. I know what I felt they do for Nigeria. So now that agility now I carry me abroad and I do am. After they come out, they will come like this say they want travel. Whether I go I'll go Austria, I'll go Swiss, I say yes. Before I go move, I'll say me the same money put for my father account. They go put the money for account, go move. If my father don't see a lot like this, I don't move. Because me I know they put money for a year because they go control. Now Nigeria me now they do am. I bet anybody not coming because these people they don't push me. All this money why they tell my sister, I know hit am. Now family had they said that, obviously the same money. Hello? Obviously, I go get rest of mine. I not get. All this money, these people why they talk so, my family and my head are put on. Then I don't get any family. Moreover, my doctor say I not go born again. That 2 children where I get, I don't want born again. I want just live my life. I want just to make my money they go until something happen. Something happened. This is the same parents when they see say this is the same parents. They tell me say the one carry get come here. I don't know the banamish. They don't already do the banamish finish. They don't already do the banamish finish. They just come and say, first they come, I bet more help the receiver. I said, I never call them one day when they road. I don't call them. Now when they don't reach there, when they say they dead Torino, now my mama even call me say dead Torino. Say no get where you want to stay. Now I take carry I come put for house. I put this guy for house. I come on go travel. I dey leave the person for house. I dey go travel. They come back. Before I come back, my landlord call me say, "My come pay house rent." I said that my ex say, "May go my house, go collect money where that get over because I know people see for house, you know they pay house rent. May go collect money to pay landlord. If I come balance am. That one can't go collect money, come pay. The other month again because me and dead Swiss, I just the knock out for different country. Second month come reach my landlord call me now say they come house. Now I say come house. As I come house, I tell this guy say make give me money. I want pay house rent. And I want to come out. This one they come for travel, but they don't already send money for my papa account again. When I want to move to another journey. I just come house, I can't settle my people, I can't settle house friends. I call house. I tell this guy, say, give me money. This guy want tell me, say, no, if they pay my mama, they pay the person where see her mama. Now, they say there be two way introduce them. Now, bring they come. Say, you know, if they pay money for my mama, go they pay house rent. Between God and man, I wait till happen with that one. Now, so then you need to come out from my house. And before you come out from my house, you need to pay the one where you don't first stay. Pay the bill. Now, what I tell the girl? The girl can say, he don't get all my documents. If me do anyhow, he will go give me to Ogbalo. Now, so you are a bastard. Now, say police, they're not be idiot. They're not be fool. That they investigate. They're not if you carry put person for prison like that. This is why they call so they come and pick my mama with the Queen Elizabeth when they get a character. This Elizabeth a pastor. Pastor now they preach woman. Now here my mama do the connection together. As the girl, my blood the earth, I not go lie, you I beat the girl. I beat her to the mercilessly because for you to go into my drum, go pack my documents, you snap that say you get down, say you get with your to the army. Say no, if they pay my mother, they pay the woman away Jonah, then they pay my house rent. I beat her pursue her, my mama cause me I not pursue her. If I pursue her, how you want to pay money? I say to hey, I not fit there, they not go pay me, if the girl not pay me my house rent. I was thinking it was a joke. I don't do one. The girl don't come out. I don't pay my house rent. The man, excuse me, I can't come out. Travel again. Now I travel. Now my mother for call me. Me where they Italy. I don't know say this girl don't go donation me. Now my mama for Nigeria with the pastor now they call me say make a run go Germany or France. Say this guy don't go donation me. I can't say for me I know they go anywhere. This is why they talk so. It don't take. I can't say not they go. Police not be fool. They will no carry and come. So that's why we take all the matter. We rest. Play. I can't call my mother say, parents say, ma, I don't try rich. I want no. Because I don't try rich, I want settle down. My mama can say no. Before I go settle down, I need to do something. I say, what I want to do again? They say, here when you move, you make a webo. No matter. Why did me and I boy? You know, as I go and charge it. You know, as I enter abroad, which condition are they give me? If I bring this one, not good. If I bring this one, not good. Now, when I call use violence for, they say, I want to settle down. They say, if I can settle down, my movie, I want to assume. So I call look and say, I can't see, say, now, true to all these people make sense, so, I call, I call rest. After that, I call my papa, say, now, I want to settle down. My papa, may expose everything, may rest. May I see evil people. The reason why they bring this matter now, I see one picture where I snap, where I post, where I say, this boy with this girl, that they sleep with that one woman. I will tell now, what happened? May I re-enter this thing, and I got this thing. At least the guy, they look me here. Now the post, now the comment where he comment from my this thing, now make me vex come out because they push me since then. I know I come out. So he got this that day. My mama got to me say make her run. I said I know they go anywhere. Me where they tell I don't know say they don't go to Nishami. Now people from Nigeria tell me say make me run. Now I say I not go where they don't go. My in Italy my destiny day. Now no if push me. I don't come out for camp, rent house. I still come out for year again, go another country again, go stay for camp, another school one where I dey feed they eat. I dey feed they pay my house, I dey pay my bill. I say no. Play. I can't go put my document for renew. As I put my document for renew, my document not come out. My document not come out. A year, I said, what did they happen? They can't give me sleep. Sleep where they give me, I don't say not they read. And I can't use that sleep till they go different countries. Now God now save me. I can't rest. Later, as I can't see, I don't go see they go country again because my document not the pass ticket where they buy for me. You know the pass out. Now I can't rest. If I go Questora, their movement for Questora, they're suspicious. They come flashback, say, my mama tell me say make her run. I've been at something. You know if you do bad, if you enter Questora, their movement, if you don't waka come. I can't rest, I not talk. I keep quiet. Then I not coffee the go different country again, money not come there again. What I go do? I can't dey go farm work. Since I was born, I never go farm work. I no one know till they come farm work. I don't know how I don't know how they carry for class. I can't go out for it and I can't go to do what they call this vino where they have the way that they do every year. Vino this thing. I can't go to do am. Wover. I've been a wover that they call her. I can't go to do am. Now therefore see this my husband. As I see this my husband, my husband see the way I they do. You see, I say it's like I know they do this kind of work. Now I never do am before. He said, by the way, wetin make you come do this thing? I can't tell him. He said, no, I say my house rent don't expire. My bill na 300 they bring. I no get money. That's why they date. When they need of help, I go give am. If he cry like this, I go give am. But when my own come, he say, I no go out well. I say they tell me. One that I not see. This boy so come comot. This my husband so where I see for far work. As I just tell her the thing. I just tell her. Now I say now maybe they do the fire work. I never know say this my husband put the thing for men. And they pay us rent 450 euro. This boy they come for us. He come bring 450 euro. He say my go pay us rent. I look the man. I look the boy. I know that I can't thank him. I thank him so God will bless you. He not trust me. Now work. I just tell her say what make me they do am. Now say I not get answer. Me where they go different country. Me where get money. I not fit they go again. Now make me do and I take bring the money come for me. The reason why I choose this my new husband over that my house because if you dey in need of something, if you not see the man where you need, where the time your help at that time, you will know say something is wrong. And this my ex, we don't go 7 years for relationship. Now we got the entire year. He never helped me. I can't rest. Then, after the farm work don't finish, this boy come count 300 or something for me. He said, man, go pay B. Then me and that boy come be friend. That can't tell about my relationship. Say, I get S. I get guy that was there. He can't say, okay. Say, now the guy with me, I eat be that one. He say, okay. Before he can't toast me. As he toast me, I can't grieve for her. That my S. Because that one a fletter. Now, womanizer, they flex. So, that's me, this one you're content. This one say, want to go see his sister. He go come out. Now, babe, now, whom I go, they lost for years. So, I just need to move. They already tell me, say, what could do open ballot. That's open ballot. See, he go the friend boy, me go the friend boy. Girl. He go the friend girl, me go the moon, no vest. I said, okay, no problem. I even tell my husband, he said that kind of man, he not love you. And then, me, they look about relationship, say the relationship don't long. Now, me be they look before. So, until he can't sex, he can't travel. As he travel, he say, he want to go see his sister. As he want to go see his sister, he can't spend 3 months for woman asking my sister. Now me and this my husband take day. Before that one come here, I can't get belly. As we get belly, now see the reason why they thought the car get where they go. God was so kind. My lawyer just come. No, I can't go questora. They go questora. There, I can't see this my husband who I married. No, me I married. So he can't follow me. They go questora. So my husband can't see the sign whether they give for questora. My husband can't tell me say I carry lawyer. I can't carry lawyer. After a week, now my lawyer tell me, say, there is a guy who got accused me, say, I carry and come. Now I say, banga, he does sex. Now my lawyer come tell me, say, it's high time I prepare myself. Say, I need to get belly and I need to marry immediately. If I know I go prison. Now I say, I go prison. He said, yes, if you win the case, you not go. If you don't win the case, you will go. But fortunately, I get belly or I do common marriage. Then, hey, now therefore no say who really love me. This my husband, no. My husband, no. Although my husband love me natural, already though he told me. As he says everything, but I even say my husband go run leave me. As he see that kind of case. My husband say, okay, I can't tell her say I get belly. I tell her, he said, I can't say I want to remove him. He said, no, He said, I go born. I say, parents, they tell her, say, he don't need to settle down. I call the shakara instead of me. Now me supposed to beg my husband. Me I call the shakara say before you go leave, I go born for you. You need to go put money for my head. Tell me now me need the thing pass so. So after that, my husband called do commune. My husband know what they stop. He carry me go commune. We go marry. We can't do the research for us. Then after I do finish, I send the paper. Give my lawyer. Now my lawyer say whether we don't do for us. I can say yes. He say he needs certificate for us. Because he tell me say anything where I don't need, anything where you need, may bring am. Say because this case serious for grant. I say okay. Now I call my parents say my people, my husband want to put money for my head because I don't want to do fake. They may stop. I don't want to do fake marriage. So person they cause okay. We can't fix this for introduction. No, before we even fix that for introduction, man, I see what the parents do. Before I do introduction, it do me. I don't know. I not be good. I not be good. After 2, I never born. No, now man wants to put money for my head. My people they shakara. Me will get my body. I not shakara. He said my papa will tell me. He said he never put money for my mama head. So if you put money for your mama head, for your wife's head, then I feel do my own. That's okay. Now truth now, God do. He said, baby, bring money. Now I say, you tell me say before I will settle down. No more vision of power, dear Webo. I still do that one. You wait till you call this today, try again. He said, may I bring money, may they put money for my mama head. I say, you don't say na house arrest. This is why they talk so. I don't already say house arrest. So when I see wickedness, so but they need something. Now my papa, because God forbid, I can't call my uncle. I can't tell my uncle say, my uncle, now my papa, because I see what my papa talk. He said, if you want me, your husband last. If your husband bring my husband go die. Now what my uncle tell me? He said my husband go die. I say, hey, my husband come call my husband, mama say to my husband, where people talk. Now that I cut say, now truth say you go down. You know if you put money for you in mama head, you see put money for your wife head. Based on my husband not fit pay am. He can't give my husband can't give me money. He said, may I take back clothes, may I go change my wardrobe. You see the way my husband carry and pass. So as he give me that money, now I take say give them, and I see come my uncle. I can't give them the money. My sister, where they can't put, they can't do marriage. As they do marriage, finish. Daddy, mommy, man, give me list. He won't come tell me. My papa won't come bring another excuse come again. He said, come here, they do introduction. Man, they see where kata for call. Where they put this useless sister put. They are going to say, you want to put money for my head. They can't do introduction. They can't fix introduction. Later, they cancel his introduction again. Okay. The day when they can't put the introduction, we can't send money. They want make they cook, make they do everything. As my husband said, go here, I say, send go the other side. My husband, mama said, they come, they execute their own come. Now, so we not send my sister. We do, they do introduction. Introduction! The reason why I pause, I don't want to do marriage again. Now, I want to tell you. I never know, say, my pa with the people, they know they talk. I never say, my mama with the people, they know they talk. Since where that my pa don't go put money for my mama head, they all of them they back off. But for my papa side, they not pay they talk. I don't know, say the thing is serious. So after my papa, all of the come introduction, my mama side, they not come introduction. One of the year waiting make me sparkle. As the first song, mama side no come, my papa side come. My papa side even come said, they say that because say I dey call them, then make they even go. I put her for head. What did they happen? I want to know what did they happen. Already, me myself I know. I dey among the people who see cost. May I tell you I take up because I dey listen to parents. Now I cost my home. If I say I want to call my uncle, my papa say I not call. If I say I want to call my this person, I say because I need their number, I want to call them. And the day in a critical way for Nigeria, my mama say I not come. I could imagine say when my papa said my mama say I not come, my uncle, the same mama, the same papa, I can't see boom. All this one they talk, so all my papa brothers the day here, they many the Sarah. Now the one where they have, now I just they bring come I send the money. My mama said I not come. Now they will come they tell me, I'm the one where see my that is just mama, that they call like mama. Is nice my papa for mother side. That one will tell me bad that one. So I come the run from my uncles. Now when they come do it to me, now I come begin to come my uncle. So when I see what they happen. Now they come realize say my parents they don't want me to come my uncle. Maybe I don't know a secret about myself. How I was born. How I take on this life. I never know say now what that they ask for me. Now they call say man not they call my parent and my uncle. So I can't come I can't rest. I not talk. I leave everything. So as all this matter they happen, escorts, police, all of them they escort me. As I say body that they eat. I dey go court 3 times a month. Court as the thing court reach 3 times a month. I dey go court. Hello dear. May I call you back? I dey live. I dey go court for Torino. From Asti for Torino. Now police come they carry me for house. They go Torino for court. As I come see the day when I come go court and my papa say, Igiyeti, it's your wa. Open say I get something for house. I tell my papa say it's your way. I don't stay your wa. My papa say no man, no just come on. My kukuma your side the jail for dear. My husband call each work. Eat out for what? Say shit. Shit parents they take pikin and they put me for this problem. Can you imagine? My papa online with this line. My papa call me. My mama they quarrel. As I come, now my junior brother come, he say my papa and my mama they quarrel. I come pick up. What did they happen? What's on agree? Can you imagine? Now, can you imagine what did they talk? Then the quarrel say my me say that is my papa they tell my mama say now he be the person will be the cause will make me get this ass arrest. Now you make a my pikin dey ass arrest for what you do my pikin so you go be bad woman. When my mama they tell my papa say my money my pikin money where you don't shop you go provide them. Now say man arrest. If na that one the brick quarrel make una arrest now my money. Now be me get the ass arrest make una arrest to make peace friend. I can't do everything. I call my husband. My sister, make her defend me for court. My lawyer, don't talk to my lawyer. We don't see what you want to talk for court. We don't arrange everything. The same mama, the same papa, and me make her see light. I can't tell her and say, my lawyer can't call her and say, this girl involve you. I beg. What you go do? You can't defend your sister for court. My sister said, no problem. You go can't defend me. He and my lawyer can't talk. We can't arrange what you want to talk. My brothers and sisters, I go court. I not see my sister. When I call my sister say, don't they Jamie? Hey. Now my husband say, if your sister fit go Jamie, your papa fit tell you say me serve the jail. When did they come use him? We'll be stranger. They do. Now my husband called me say, dear, he will stand by me. We do the fight this matter. No, till lawyer now we take. Look, as we go court that day, judge passed judgment against me because my sister not come, make come defend me. My lawyer, my judge don't pass judgment. There's nothing I can do. Now therefore, no, say sister not there abroad. Yes. Then, after everything, this is my the same sister. So, come my uncle tell her, say make he beg me. Say make I not vex. Say now my mama say make he wrong. He go for come. Now my mama tell her. Make it wrong. Mama will put me for house arrest. Your pikin will come defend me. He said make it wrong, go jail me. Judge come pass judgment against me. I never man. God was okay. My husband, the country lawyer, they fight this battle for me. It's a better. Now money they spend. You know to be woman traffic. I don't know anything. My husband is a better. After everything. After everything. I say forget. You can't get the day when my lawyer called me say, you know, if you fight this case again. More find another lawyer, John lawyer. Now be the lawyer what would they use for Torino? Pega. Emmanuel Pega. For Torino. Nobody will know. Now, you know the first document case, now criminal case in the fight. This lawyer tell me say, I need to put her for appeal in more than 1 month.